Look around. How many plastic waste do you see every day? More than you realize, plastic waste on campus keeps increasing, and most of it comes from single-use cups and bottles. But the problem is not that we don't care. The problem is we are not used to choosing reusable options. That's why we started this campaign. Bring your tumbler, save the environment. Because one simple habit can make a big difference for our campus, for our community, and for our future.
If we stop for a moment and think, plastic was never meant to be used once and then thrown away. But today, single-use plastic has become part of our lifestyle, fast, convenient, and everywhere. On our campus, most plastic waste comes from drinks, iced coffee, boba, bottled water, and takeaway cups. It feels normal, but normal doesn't always mean sustainable. Every plastic cup or bottle we throw away doesn't disappear. It stays, sometimes for hundreds of years. Some end up burned, polluting the air. Others end up in rivers, oceans, or landfills, harming the environment and living creatures.
How do you feel when you see a lot of plastic waste on campus?
I feel kinda sad and uncomfortable soalnya kalau kita ngelihat kampus berserakan tuh kan jadi nggak enak ya, kayak kotor gitu. Jadi brandingnya juga jelek kampusnya gitu menurutku.
I will feel quite concerned and disappointed. Seeing piles of plastic waste shows that many students still don't care about the environment. It also makes the campus look dirty and can harm surroundings.
Menurut saya kalau ada plastik yang bertebaran di lingkungan kampus itu sangat luar biasa merisihkan ya, karena kan kita sebagai mahasiswa harus menjaga lingkungan kita nih, apalagi di tempat yang sering kita tongkrongin. Jadi sebisa mungkin ketika kita nongkrong, kita harus ngebuang sampah-sampah kita, apalagi sampah plastik yang sangat sulit untuk diurai.
The first, I feel uncomfortable, sad, and concerned because in a campus environment with digital student, there is still very little awareness of disposing of waste in its proper place. This also reflects the gap between knowledge and practice, where we often talk about the environment, but our behavior is not consistent or does not reflect this.
I would be annoyed and surprised because we are students. So how can we not even throw trash in the right place? It would also show that those who litter carelessly don't care about the environment, making the campus look unkempt and dirty.
Do you think bringing a tumbler is a simple way to care for the environment? Why?
Menurut aku sih iya ya, karena kayak tumbler is a simple way to care for environment. Jadi ya udah kita bisa ngurangin penggunaan plastik juga sekali pakai gitu.
Yeah, for sure, bringing a tumbler is simple and very help reduce plastic waste.
Menurut saya itu cukup penting ya buat bawa tumbler, karena dengan membawa tumbler kita bisa mengurangi sampah botol plastik yang kita buang, karena kan kebutuhan air kita itu cukup banyak ya perharinya. Jadi dengan membawa tumbler kita bisa mengurangi banyak sampah botol plastik.
Yes, bringing a tumbler is a form of environmental responsibility because the first, it reduces dependence on single-use plastics, which are the biggest source of pollution. And the last, it shows individual awareness that big change start with small action consistent.
Yes, because by bringing a tumbler, we can reduce the use of plastic bottle, thus reducing the amount of plastic thrown away, and indirectly this habit will help keep the environment clean.
Next question, if you want to encourage your friend to bring their own tumblers, what would you tell them? Jika kamu pengen mengajak teman kamu untuk membawa tumbler, apa yang bakalan kamu bilang ke dia?
Saya bakal bilang dengan membawa tumbler kita bisa menghemat uang kita ya, karena kan kita bisa ngambil air di SFD yang sudah disediakan. Jadi kita bisa menghemat uang dan menjaga lingkungan sekaligus.
I'll say Just bring a tumbler, it's easy, saves money, and helps cut down plastic trash.
I will tell them that bringing a tumbler itu easy banget, terus juga lebih hemat, dan sekalian kita bisa jaga lingkungan kampus kita juga.
I would say that bringing a tumbler is not just a lifestyle choice, but also a small movement that shows our maturity and responsibility as students. Tumblers not only reduce waste, but also send a message that we care about the future of our campus and the earth. I would emphasize that social change always starts with small things, and bringing a tumbler is one of the simple steps to start a good habit together.
I would say let's start bringing a tumbler today because besides being easy to carry, we can also save money and keep the campus environment clean and comfortable.
Okay, now let's take a closer look at how this movement is already happening. More and more people today are starting to choose reusable bottle over single-use plastic, whether at school, at work, or just going out. Carrying a tumbler is slowly becoming a new habit. Even though the change may not look big yet, the impact is starting to show. In some places, the amount of plastic waste has noticeably decreased, simply because more people decided to reuse instead of throw away. And what interesting is this movement didn't start with rules or pressure. It began with awareness and one small decision at a time. It may seem like a simple habit, but when many people do it, the result becomes powerful. Today we bring our tumbler, tomorrow we protect our future.
Today we bring our tumbler, tomorrow we protect our future.
So now we invite you to be part of this movement. No donation required, no complicated step, just one habit. Bring your tumbler wherever you go. Share your story, inspire your friends, and help reduce plastic wastes one bottle.
One action may seem small, but when done together, it creates power. Thank you for watching, and remember, bring your tumbler, save the environment.